In primetime news tonight, more than a dozen students hospitalized after eating bad candy. Police and taxi operators at odds. We explore what's behind the seeming rise of physical confrontations between the two. And a junkyard bust. Man taken into custody.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the Small Business Association of Jamaica, they're calling for changes to help them to win government contracts. Also, today's Wednesday. Gas prices are going up. We'll have the details in the business day.
And from Herman to the latest in sports, Jermaine Brown is here.
Thanks, Archie. A century from Chris Gayle, the West Indies post their fourth highest one-day international score, but they still lose to England in the first match in Barbados. The details a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the protest by UTech students demanding more money be allocated to that university?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
Primetime News headlines.